Uniform distribution. So we have to remember what that means. Uniform means everything's equally likely. Think of it in terms of that. It's a level curve. So the fact that it's uniformly distributed between 2.5 and 3.5. So what that means, these were the grades. Here's 2.5, here's 3.5. It's uniformly distributed. Everybody's there's equal probability, equal random relative frequency of each of the grades in between here. So this is it. If you'll remember, the function for this, the probability distribution, is going to be, so this is A to B, right? So we put that down here. And the probability distribution is the probability of being at any given point is 1 over B minus A. That's our and then using part A, find the probability that a random chosen member of the society has a grade point average between 3 and 3.2. Here's that. So 3.2 would be maybe about here. Maybe a 3 would be here. So we want to see 3, 3.2. So it's a rectangle. We know its width. We just need to know its height. And so that area is base, is the base times the height. What's the height? That's the function value. Here, 1 over B minus A, which is 3.5 minus 2.5, in this case, which gives us just 1, right? 3.5, that's 1 over 1. But we multiply that by the base, 3.2 minus 3. This gives us 1 times 2. This gives us 0.2, a 20% chance. That kind of makes sense. If you look at this 2.5 to 3.5, so each tenth is 10%, right? Because there's 10 tenths between here. And so this is 2 tenths, so that kind of makes sense. 0.2, hopefully. But you got to remember, I remember from the picture, this is what a uniform distribution is. Otherwise, what does that mean? They're wearing some kind of special clothing? No, it's that kind of uniform. Everything's the same. Well, I guess that's what uniform means, right? So let's click on here. Somewhere there's an answer. It's equal to 1. I'm sorry, I did B over A, but I sort of said it here, but I didn't really finish this one off. Should have said, okay, that's 1 over 3.5 minus 2.5. Never really answered the question. That's 1, except I sort of did here. So that checks. And then if we go to the B part, 0.2. Got a little ahead of myself. All right, thank you.